Hi friend, David here, and in this video I just want to walk through using the screen views here in Onyx because there's some stuff that's in there that may not be immediately something you notice, but it can really help you make a more efficient show. And so with the views and the layout of Onyx, everything is customizable. And while I don't have time to go through all of the options here, I want to go over some basics. So first things first, all of these views tend to work well with scroll wheels and the tab key. So here at the top, for example, I've got all my fixtures. I can scroll with my scroll wheel. I can scroll with these arrows, either line by line or view by view. Or I can use this dot in the center to proportionally scroll, which works great on touchscreens. Then here at the bottom, I've got these different options here. Sure, I can click on them to switch between them, but I can also use the tab key. And notice the orange highlight as I tabbed. That tells me that the window is in focus. And so that's important to know as well. Okay. Now, when we're using windows, such as the 2D plan, another trick that I want to share with you here is that you can go ahead and save the zoom of this window. So right now, for example, we started and the zoom was like this. Now, on this monitor, having a zoom more like this works a lot better. All I've got to do to save that is just right click, unlock and edit, press the big old save right here at the top, or right click again, save view, press OK. And we've now saved that view with the zoom in it. Now, a couple things to note here. If I don't save the zoom, like maybe I go over here and it also saves the window state. So it saved me on this window as opposed to this one. But say I'm in this window here, and I go back to fixtures, presets, and then I go back here. It does hold my last view. However, it's not going to save if I double tap on this. You see the asterisk goes away. And it's also not going to save if I restart the show file, the computer, the console, etc. So once you've found the zoom in your 2D plan that you really like, go ahead, right click, unlock and edit, save that view, and you'll be rocking and rolling, good to go. Another thing you may want to look at is customizing the views. The built-in views work quite well, but if you've got a different size monitor or different needs for your show, you may want to add or subtract things to the views. It's actually really simple. Right-clicking to unlock and edit, or clicking here at the top of the workspace to unlock workspace and edit view, allows us to go ahead and change things around. So just as an example, I like to start here with the layout. And in this example, right, we first have a two rows setup. We'll switch that to 4 frames, and then we can start to move things around. So I'm going to go ahead and hit my trash can, and then add the plus here. Add in some presets, and then resize my windows a little bit. You can see I can resize top and bottom independently as needed. So I'm actually going to go ahead here, wipe this one out. Got my groups at the top. Now press this plus here. And maybe I wanted to go ahead and I wanted the keypad down here. Adjust things till I run out of space. Whoop. Perfect. Now if you do get this right here, you can click right here, and that's going to auto size. Also, we noticed that our groups got out of order. They were lined up really nice, but now they're not. To fix this, I can go to the layout, and instead of automatic, I can set a number of columns and rows as desired. I believe if I set this to 10, things line up pretty nice. Nope, but that's okay, because I can just scroll through. Yeah, 15 is what they were set to. That works. All of these settings are saved in the screen view. So be sure to hit that save key, save the view, and then you'll keep it. You'll know that it's saved when the save icon is no longer flashing and when there's no more asterisks right here. Awesome. That's the basics of screen views. Like I mentioned, there's a lot more. And in fact, we go into really deep depth. And in fact, we go in really deep depth in my course, Onyx for the Complete Newbie, which is a part of Learn the Stage Lighting Labs. If you want to learn more about that or just get some great tips and tricks on how to do better with Onyx, check out my bonus videos on effects and more. You can get access to those right here. Click the link. Also, be sure to subscribe here and check out the rest of the videos in this playlist, which is linked below. We'll see you guys around YouTube, here on the channel, and inside of Learn Stage Lighting Labs. Thanks.